Hi and a very warm welcome to my channel. This is Cassie. So in today's video I'll be going ahead and quickly sharing with you my monthly skincare routine. So when I say monthly skincare routine, that means there is something that I do differently from my usual weekly skincare routine, but this is something that I have been doing over the past 3 to 4 months, I would say. And also I just wanted to let you know that see, skincare is actually a journey. You have to invest your time, your money, you have to try products out for your skin according to your skin type, and that is how you can go ahead and build up your skincare routine for your skin type. I have tried many different products over the past few years, and that is when I am actually very happy with the skincare routine that I have right now. I have built up this particular skincare routine taking into consideration all of my skin concerns, my skin issues that I have. So if you are thinking of going ahead and investing your money in certain products that I'm going to show you in this skincare routine, then make sure that you go ahead and Google it. Watch your favorite YouTubers talk about this particular products, read the ingredient list, and only then go ahead and invest your money, because it is your hard-earned money. Though I understand that certain products that work for me will not work for you, and certain products that work for you might not work for me. So it actually all depends on your skin type, your skin concern. Since that is out of the way, let me just go ahead and start with the skincare routine. Also, if you are someone who is new to my channel and you would love to watch such videos in the future as well, then make sure that you please consider subscribing to my channel by just hitting that red subscribe button down below, and don't forget to press the bell icon right besides the subscribe button, because that is how you will get notified every time I upload a video and you don't miss out on my videos. And now, without any further ado, let's quickly jump into the skincare routine.
So here I am, and I'm ready to dive into my nighttime skincare routine, which is actually a monthly skincare routine. And I am not wearing any makeup. The only thing that I have is a moisturizer and a sunscreen. And since we are going to bed, we definitely need to make sure that we get rid of the sunscreen. So I'm using my Bioderma micellar water and this microfiber cloth which I got from Miniso, which is absolutely gentle on the skin. So I'm just using this and cleaning my face. The next thing that I'm going ahead and doing is using this face razor to go ahead and get rid of my peach fuzz, my eyebrows and upper lips done. Since I don't go to the parlor, so I'm glad that I can do all of this high maintenance things at the comfort of my home as well. So I'm just going ahead and taking care of my eyebrows and my upper lips. These are some grooming tips that I'm sharing with you so that you can do all of these things at the comfort of your home and you don't have to go and visit the salon every single month. And I'm using this very tiny scissor to go ahead and get rid of my nose hair. So here I'm just going ahead and using my Himalaya Neem face wash to go ahead and get rid of all the dust and grime that's been sitting on my skin. And once I was done washing my face, I went in with this new scrub that I have been recently using, which is the Himalaya Tan Removal Orange Face Scrub, which is a physical scrub. And I had stopped using a physical scrub for a while, but I thought, you know what, let me just go ahead and start using it at least once a month, because definitely physical scrubs are a little harsh on your skin, so you have to be careful about that. But when your skin feels dry and congested, you can definitely go ahead and use a physical scrub. So here I am, and my skin feels really soft and clean after using the scrub. Now it's time to go ahead and use a good face mask, and the face mask that I am obsessed with right now is the Dot and Key face mask. And you don't have to worry, whatever products that I have used in today's video will be listed down below in the description box, so you can definitely check that out. So I'm just going ahead and evenly applying this face mask on my skin. I will let this face mask sit on my skin for at least 5 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, I will go ahead and apply a good nail polish to my toenails. We pay least attention to our toenails, which is something that I have been dealing. I mean, I am someone who doesn't pay a lot of attention to toenails. So it's time to go ahead and use a good nail polish. And the nail polish that I'm using on my toenail is from Miniso again. So since my mask is completely dried, I'll go ahead and wash it off. And this is what my skin looks after I'm done washing off my face mask. And now it's time to go ahead and dive into my favorite part of my nighttime skincare routine, which is using a good serum. And the serum that I have been lately using is from Ordinary. This is the 10% niacinamide plus zinc serum, and if you have watched my previous videos, you know that how much I love this niacinamide as an ingredient. It is such an amazing ingredient to have in your skincare routine. If you are new to this concept, or if you are new to this ingredient, I would suggest you please go ahead and Google it and see for yourself the benefits of using a good niacinamide serum on your skin. Here I'm using my favorite essence, which is the Cosrx Advanced Nail 96 Mucin Power Essence, and I'm currently obsessed with this particular product. I cannot even tell you how much I love this product. I use it in my morning skincare routine as well as my nighttime skincare routine, and this is a product that will give you the perfect amount of hydration that your skin needs. And this particular product makes my skin feel juicy and plumped and healthy at the same time. Here I'm using the Juicy Chemistry Damask Rose and Coffee Organic Eye Cream, and truly speaking, I am not someone who uses an eye cream on a regular basis, not at least every day, but when I am going ahead and doing a weekly skincare routine or like a monthly skincare routine, that is when I'll go ahead and use an eye cream under my eyes. So I'll just go ahead and take a little of it and I will massage my under eye for at least a minute, and this kind of gives that relaxing feeling which I absolutely love. So the last and the final step in my skincare routine is using a good lip balm, and the lip balm that I'm using here is by Earth Rhythm. It is an amazing lip balm. If you have chapped lips, you can definitely go ahead and use this lip balm as an overnight treatment on your lips, and when you wake up the next day, you will have soft lips. Your dead skin will definitely come out. So this is what my monthly skincare routine looks like, and the only different thing that I do in my monthly skincare routine is use a physical scrub. Otherwise, usually on my weekly routines, like on my Sundays skincare routines, I will go ahead and use a chemical exfoliant. And even getting rid of my facial hair is something that I don't do every week. I do it at least twice a month, nothing more than that. So this is what my skin looks like. I'm all drenched and plumped and my skin is looking all juicy, and now it's time to go ahead and get a good sleep.
So that is all I have for you today in this video, and I hope you liked watching this video. And if you really like this video, then please give this video a thumbs up, and it will mean a lot to me. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, peace and love to you all. Bye.